Hi guys, in a jiffy I want to show you how I made this beautiful Scarfinator. Come with me guys. We'll be needing just your band, a fascinator band for this tutorial. Just cut the size you want. You can use your thread to band it together, or you can use your masking tape to bring the two together. Do you understand? Then you place it inside your material. Place it, use your material to wrap it around, and then apply pressure. While holding it, you have to apply pressure so that it will have this shape that you are seeing. But if you want the shape to be round, maybe you don't want it to have this kind of shape, you just want it to be round, don't apply any pressure while securing it. Do you understand? It's because I applied pressure, I held it very tight, so the thing now formed this shape, this oval kind of shape that you are seeing. So now I'm going to place it on my head like this. Come with me guys, this is simple and beautiful. This style is very unique. You just place it like this. If you want it to be by the center, you can place it anywhere you want it, but me, I want it to be by the side. I just want it to have that fascinator kind of look. Do you understand? So this is a Scarfinator. This one is not fascinator, this is Scarfinator. So I'm going to use my elastic band to secure it at the back. Very simple. We don't need pin for this particular tutorial. You don't even need pin. So after securing it here, you will just pack the excess material inside, and that is all. If today is your first time coming across my video, my name is Oge Best Obi. Please, if you have not followed my page, do well to follow this page. Drop your comments, like the video, share it, save it, and then wait for more tutorials like this. If you're a lover of head wrap, I tell you, you will not regret you did. So this is it. I'm done with it now. So I'll come over to the front, arrange it the way I want it to look. And then if you have a flower, or a rose, or a brooch, something to embellish it, you can just add it up. Do you understand? But if you want it to be plain like this, the choice is yours. So I have this flower I'm going to be attaching just to complement my dress. Do you understand? So I'm going to be attaching it to the center with the help of a pin, and that is all. So I will place it here using a pin, because I want to remove it later. If I don't want to remove it, I would have used something like gum to place it, but I will remove it later. So this is the final look. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to let me know what you think concerning this tutorial. I will see you all again on my next one. Bye.